welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to kind of hop on the trend that almost every YouTuber is doing right now. If you haven't seen it already, I'm going to be doing the assumption tag. If you don't know what that is, it's basically where you post on your Instagram story asking your followers to tell you what they think of you. I'm guessing probably based off looks or the way you kind of present yourself on social media. I'm going to be honest, I do not know who the original creator is, so I'm very sorry. Every video that I watched, nobody knew who really kind of created this whole thing. So I'll leave a couple of videos that I saw in the description below. If you do know who created it, please leave them down in the comments and I will be more than happy to put them in the description. So I posted this on my Instagram story 8 hours ago asking you guys to tell me what you think of me and what your assumptions are about me. So I actually have quite a lot to go through. Basically just going to be saying if they're true or false. I actually have not read through these yet, but I'm really curious to see what you guys think of me. So let's just get into the video. The first one assumed that I've already tried smoking / drinking, and that is false. I've never tried either of those or attempted them. The second assumption is that you're one of the popular girls in school, and I don't even go to school anymore. I started cyber school. I actually was not a popular girl in school. I feel like everyone kind of knew who I was, but like I didn't talk to any of them or make friends with any of them. So the third one says my assumption about you is that you're very smart and you always know what to do. I would not call myself like very smart. I would say that like I'm educated, but I wouldn't really say that I like always know what to do. I'm one of those people that cannot even order when I'm going out to eat. Like I never know what to say or like what to do or how to act or things like that, so I wouldn't really say that. I feel like that one's a little bit false. Yeah, a lot of these are saying about like being rich and being spoiled and things like that, and I mention in my videos all the time that I am not spoiled. I do pay for some of my stuff with my own money, sometimes clothes and things like that. I don't pay for my own food, but like I'm 16. Quite a lot of people are assuming that I jewel, and I don't. I've actually never tried it before. Okay, somebody said you think too highly of yourself, but you're still pretty. I don't know if that's a compliment. Thank you if it is a compliment, but I wouldn't really say like I think highly of myself. Somebody assumed that I act nice all the time, but I secretly hate everyone. I am nice to the people who are nice to me. If you're not nice to me, obviously I'm not going to be nice to you. That's just kind of the way it works. So it kind of depends on the person. Somebody said you don't care what people think about you, and no, I don't. I honestly don't care. I mention it a lot in my videos that like I could care less what people say about me or comment about me. Especially I feel like a big part of why I'm like that is because of YouTube. I feel like I was always like that even before YouTube, but ever since starting YouTube I kind of developed a little bit thicker skin just because I do receive hate comments almost every day, so I'm kind of used to it and they don't really get to me as much anymore, or if at all. Somebody said you're low-key a thought. I'm really not. Somebody said that you're really shy when you meet new people, but when you get to know them you're crazy. Yeah. Somebody assumed that my room is never messy. That is false. My room is actually messy lots of the time. I just clean it up when I film, so this is like the only part you guys see. But wow, this person wrote a lot. All these are the same person. That you're a Christian. Yes, I am. You like straight hair better. I love both wavy, curly, straight. I love all hair. I feel like I just like straight hair because it's easiest and fastest to do it on me. Somebody assumed that I like rap. That's true. Yes, I do. Somebody assumed that I'm not a natural blonde and that your fashion sense is amazing. Thank you. And this is my natural hair color. I've never touched the root of my hair. I kind of just always bleached or ombre'd the bottom blonde. But this is my natural hair color. It's like kind of like dirty blonde-ish. Somebody assumed that I dislike Emma Chamberlain or don't stan. I'm not like subscribed to her or anything. I don't really watch her videos, but I don't have a problem with her. I think she's funny. Somebody said that I'm a very low-key person and I go with the flow. Honestly, yeah. I wouldn't say I like try and fit in with everyone else, but like I'm just very low-key about things. Somebody assumed that I'm really shy. I am and I'm not. Like if I'm in public, I would say I'm more on the shy side. But if I'm with like Maddie or someone like at my house, that's not the case. Somebody assumed that I eat a lot but don't gain any weight. That's true. I eat a lot. Like I eat a lot. And I just like don't gain weight. Like my wrists are like twigs. Oh my god, I'm seeing more and more you smoke weed or you jewel, and I don't. And lots of these are asking about my relationship, like if I'm single. I am single. You've been talking with another guy. You have a boyfriend. I'm not going to be addressing those because just everything that's been going on. I don't think it's best for me to talk about that right now. Somebody said you are the type of person to stand your ground if you're right. Love you too. And I would say I'm definitely more of that type of person. Like if I know I'm right for like 1,000% fact, like I could bet my life on it, then like obviously yeah, I'm gonna go with it. But if I'm kind of just like guessing like, oh yeah, I'm probably right, then I won't go with it. The three main ones I'm seeing like pop up a lot are if I smoke or drink, if I am spoiled, or about my relationship. YouTube is your main priority, by the way. I love you so much. I love you so much too. And I feel like at the moment, yes, YouTube is definitely my main priority. I feel like it's been my main priority for a while. Recently, especially, I've been trying to push myself to really put good quality content out for you guys. My goal for 2019 is to just have all of my videos that I'm proud of and not just put a video up because I need to get a video up for that week. I really want to be proud of the content that I'm putting up for you guys. I assume that you keep to yourself when you're sad or upset about something. That is true. I feel like I'm not like a sensitive person, so I'm rarely ever like upset unless if it's something really, really urgent or important. But when I am very keep to myself. Like I don't like opening up or telling other people. It's kind of my business. I trust people, but I just know that like if it's something that I want to keep safe or private, I'm the only one that I can trust with that kind of stuff because I know that I'm not gonna like tell myself, you know? You're very chill and it's easy to get to know you. I would call myself a very chill person. So yeah, I don't really know if I'm like easy to get to know. I don't really know what that even means. Somebody said they assume that you have lots of makeup that I don't use, but I still keep it. I have a couple of products that I do keep that I don't use, but I feel like that's just for like a special occasion. Like for example, a white eyeliner. Like obviously I'm not going to use this all the time or like even a lot, but it's just good to have in your makeup collection in case if you need it, so I do keep it for the sake of that. I don't keep expired products or products that I don't like. Like if I know I don't like it, I'm gonna either give it away or throw it out or something like that. Somebody said you care a lot about how you look. I would say that's true. Like I'm not like into myself like that, but I would just say I like looking presentable and nice just because like, you know. Lots of these were around the same idea. I obviously did not go through every single one, but that is because lots of them were repeats, but the last one says that you handle the hate you receive very well. I would say I don't, like I read comments, but I don't read all of them. And YouTube honestly blocks some comments if they're reported spam or I think it's abusive. You can also block certain words. So like, for example, I could put in ugly and anyone that says anything with the word ugly in their comment, I would automatically delete. I don't have any words blocked because I don't really care. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also follow my socials. They're all in the description below because I love doing these types of videos and I plan on doing more in the future. And I would love for you to participate in some in the future. So definitely be sure to follow my Instagram. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, I love all of you so much and bye guys.